Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some pumpkin patch nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. I did cut down the tips, turn this into more of a coffin shape. I do this once the stilettos get super long, just to get some more longevity out of the Gel X so I don't have to apply brand new ones right away. The first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance's Tour Guide. I absolutely love this color. This is the perfect fall type of glitter. It's kind of a mixture between a brown and a copper, but it's not too dark and it's super sparkly. We're going to go ahead and put this on the pinky and the thumb. Next, we're going to take Light Elegance's Alato Gelato. This one is well used and well loved. This is a great background shade. It's one of my top favorites. This one is going to go on the ring finger. Up next is Light Elegance's Grazing the Grasslands. This is a good mustard yellow, but it's not too dark. It is a brighter mustard yellow. Another good fall pick. And we're going to put this on the middle finger. Next, taking Light Elegance's Curry On, I'm going to put this on the pointer finger, but this is a darker burnt orange shade. Again, all of these are super great picks, probably all in my top favorites for fall. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, we're going to go into some stamping. We're going to take Let's Collab plate number 54. This is Pick of the Patch. It is a super cute pumpkin patch stamping plate. And I am going to be taking several images from this plate. As for stamping polishes, they are all from Clear Jelly Stamper. We're going to do number 38, which is a medium green shade. I'm going to take 81, which is a peachy shade. Number 56, which is a metallic brown, as well as number 1, which is black. So I go ahead and cleanse the nails I'm going to do stamping on. So basically all three middle nails, the ring finger, the middle nail, and the pointer finger, I'm going to do stamping on. We're going to start by taking this scarecrow image and putting it on my ring finger. Now this one has quite a few layers, and if you guys would like me to do a more in-depth video about layering with these stamping images, let me know. I can do that, but just follow along what I do here with my scarecrow design. It really helps to look at that card that came with the stamping plate because those are colored images and you can see exactly how many colors you need, and it gives you a better visual of where to place the colors down. So for the scarecrow, you do need 4 colors. I'm going to be using that green for his hat and jacket. I'm going to be using peach. It's going to be for his pants, his face, and the little bird. And then I'm going to use that metallic brown for his hair. And then I will be doing the outline in black. So I'm going to start by doing the green hat and jacket. That one is a bigger image, so I'm going to be able to center the whole scarecrow easier by stamping the bigger image first. That's kind of where my thought process was on it. Then on the plate, it shows the next image to be stamped is the hair, but go ahead and skip that. I'll come back to it. I'm going to skip over to the pants and the face, and I'm going to stamp that one next because I felt like I could line that up a little bit easier. Then after that, I come back and stamp the hair. If you look at the image, I feel like that order makes more sense in stamping it because you're able to line those images up with the previous one you had just stamped. And then I do go back in with the black and I do the outline of everything. Now, doing these intricate layered stamping does take practice. If you don't get it right the first time, don't freak out. I know I make it look easy. It's not easy. It does take time to get this down, and playing with the stamps for a while, I pretty much know how to do most of these images. And especially the outline images are a little tough to stamp because they are so fine etched on the plate. So I didn't show it in this video, but while I was doing my other hand, I did have trouble picking up that outline image, so I had to do it a couple times before I picked it up. Then I decided I want to take the buffalo plaid image and stamp that on my middle finger. So I'm going to go ahead and use that metallic brown. You want to use the same stamping polishes kind of over on different nails. That way you're incorporating all the colors in the design. So I'm going to stamp the buffalo plaid in that metallic brown on top of the mustard yellow. And finally, I felt like I just needed something else, but I wanted something super simple. So at the very bottom of the plate, there is a layered stamping image for pumpkins. I decided to just take the outline of the pumpkin, stamp it in black, and put that on my pointer finger. It's just a cute little accent of the pumpkin. I don't have all the colors. That's another way to use the layered stamping plates. And at the very end, I decided I wanted a little bit more detail on the scarecrow nail. So I go ahead and add in some of the leaves. So you stamp the leaves down in green and then the outline in black. And now that our design is complete, I'm going to go ahead and top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And do remember to do 2 top coats on top of the stamping just to seal that in. So here's how my pumpkin patch nails came out. I think they came out super cute. I really love these ones. This was a design that I just started going for and wasn't sure where I was going with it, but just started playing with colors and stamping, and this is what I came up with. I was inspired because I had just gone to the pumpkin patch. Now, I know most pumpkin patches are closed now in November. We had gone in October to the pumpkin patch, but I feel like this is still appropriate for fall because you have the scarecrow, the plaid, the fall colors. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my stamping tutorials, as well as if you would like that in-depth stamping tutorial for layered stamping plates. Make sure you're subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. We'll be switching over to holiday tutorials because Christmas is just around the corner. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.